All right, let's talk about chain of thoughts prompting. So it is one of the most used and most common techniques when we talked about prompt engineering. It refers to sequential progression of prompts or the instruction that we give to the language models. Now here the idea is to break down the complex task into series of interconnected prompts. So these interconnected prompts are divided in such a way that we are able to achieve the desired outcome from the language models. The purpose is simple. We want to enable the language model to reason and generate a response in a more coherent and structured manner. So instead of giving the entire prompt in a single, let's say, paragraph or a single line, we are breaking it down into multiple prompts to make sure that the generative AI model or the language model is able to do a better calculation, or you can say a better analysis, and give you relevant results as you are looking at. Now in chain of thoughts, each prompt that we give, it builds upon the previous one that we have already given and also provides an additional context. So thus you can have more control over the language model outcome, as well as guide it towards your desired result that you were looking for. This approach is particularly useful for complex tasks, especially where a single prompt might not be sufficient to convey all the necessary information or instruction in a single go. And again, the length and the structure of the chain of thought can vary. It depends on specific task and requirement. Based on the task, it could involve a few interconnected prompts or extend to several steps depending on the complexity. So thus, if we talk overall, chain of thoughts in prompt engineering provides a very systematic and structured approach to guiding of the language model understanding, as well as response generation process that we are looking at. This is not only aimed at enhancing the quality and coherence of the model's output, but also in terms of making it more productive. So thanks for joining. I'll see you next time.